Hi everybody, welcome to our Shumatt's live channel. I'm Caitlin. Today we would like to show you our wall hard sealing valve assembly for you, and now please let's check it together. Firstly, I will show you the outside packages, the blue VCI anti-rust. Back here, this is the product label. The first line is our Shumatt's brand. The second line is the product code F00RJ01941. Actually, the logo label packages all the details. We support a customized service. And now, let's see the inside. If the transparent bottles can be better avoid damages during the transmission, we will check the inside product for you. Transparent bottles can be better avoid damages during the transmission, and inside is 1 layer of oil paper to wrap it up. And each product 6 months warranty time. So after you receive the packages, if you are not satisfied with the quality, at that time you can contact us to return or exchange your product for you. And for this one, the plug cable injector number is 0445120 and its apply cable for vehicle core is for case and Cummins, etc. This is the valve cap with the coating figures on the groove, and this is the valve rod. If you want to install it, the first step is make sure the valve cap in the right position. Second step is make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly off the injector body. Okay, that's the tips I'd like to share with you. So much for today. Thank you for staying with me. Let's see you next time. See you. Bye.